This time on Essex Speed Workshop, the restoration moves to future-proofing our repairs as we apply sealant to our newly welded section on the Subaru. If you've not seen the earlier rust removal and welding episodes in this mini-series, check them out by searching for the Essex Speed Workshop YouTube channel.
Right, we've got some high strength polyurethane adhesive, Amazon special, a cob bit of cardboard, makes it go faster as you put it on. Let's get down there and put some sealant in.
Woo!
Oh my god, look at the rust. Right.
I wonder whether you're best squeezing it onto your finger and applying it with your finger.
Do you know what? I just thought of that. Because I'm thinking, I might gun it in that bit, because it's just a little hole.
I'd try and gun it in the holes.
And there, and there, and there.
How long does it take to dry?
24 hours.
Oh, it's to set 24 hours.
Yeah, or to cure, I can't remember what the other bit was. It was... So I've just seen another problem we've got.
Well, you can't get it in underneath it.
Oh, yes I can.
I reckon squeeze it onto either your finger and apply it with that, or squeeze it onto the cardboard and then use the cardboard to sort of wipe it on in a wipey on sort of style.
I think you're probably right. I'm gonna...
Don't drop it on your face.
Oh my god, it's sticky. Oh my! Atlanta.
Atlanta?
Oh, I don't know, I heard it on YouTube once.
Oh, okay. You sure it's YouTube? Not the other one.
No, it definitely was YouTube.
Stop making me laugh, that camera's wobbling. Oh, I've got both bits in shot. I am an absolute camera expert. I got you spaffing it onto... I mean...
Me putting it onto my finger.
I got you putting it onto your finger and the bit we were trying to fix in the same shot.
I'll try not to move that hand then. These gloves are going to be toast by the time I'm done.
Oh yeah, they're going to be black and sticky.
Like a stick. Oh no, that's brown and sticky.
Like a black stick. Like licorice.
Sure. Like,
I don't think it'll taste like licorice.
I am not trying that. I'll eat most things. I'll quite happily eat dog food or whatever. I'm not eating this. I do not need my insides adhering.
It's only sets after 24 hours. The race is on.
24 hours to pass it. Does a man pass it? Sorry, I probably should ruin your shot there.
It's alright, I was giggling too much anyway. Oh, it is. Oh, that looks like delightful stuff.
It's disgusting, mate. It's absolutely raw.
Seems to be filling the hole though.
Oh yeah, it's doing that very well. It's also adhering to itself, which is really useful, as you probably would expect out of a sealant. Just trying to get all this just... Oh. Alright, I'm going to see if I can squirt some in there, because... Watch your face, eyes, hands, mouth, teeth.
Oh, I see where you're going now.
Yeah, sorry, I probably shouldn't pre-warned you. I can hear more car rusting. Because then I'm going to grab the cardboard.
Yeah.
Just wipe.
I'll wipe it smooth.
And then... modify the cardboard on the fly. Oh my god, this is sticky! I mean, I know it's his job and all, but... do you know what? Can I have it back? I'm going to squirt some on that, and then I'm going to go.
Yeah, that was one of my thoughts, was squirt it on the cardboard and then
yeah,
wipe
I
it
know.
on with it. Oops, out shot. Back in shot.
Can you take my...
Yeah.
If you can. Thank you.
Ready to receive.
I bet you are. T-pin there.
Oh yeah. Damn, that stuff be sticky.
Oh my god. Thing is, I don't want to do too much towards my left here, because otherwise you just stop this plate from ever being able to come off again.
Someone else's problem.
Yeah, I know.
Just make sure you cover the clean bit of metal as well, so
yeah,
it all looks uniform.
Right.
Foxtrot X-ray.
I need more. Oh, my finger is so sticky.
Oh, I'm stuck to it as well.
Thank you.
It's going to make for a great TV.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Oh, look at that. Oh no. Oh no. Need to clean.
That black stuff is not a finesse weapon, is it?
No. Talk about unwieldy. It is very unwieldy.
Now, if we get this stuck on the GoPro lens, we are
Fudge
madged.
puppied. Oh my god, this stuff is so sticky. Look at it. It's like venom.
Maybe we leave it sticky, let it dry, and then sort of go over it with a knife.
I was just going to squirt some in there.
Yeah, I know, but instead of trying to smooth it
out, yeah. Let's try not to get my face in it.
Let it dry, let it set, and then either cut it with a knife if it's sort of rubbery,
Right.
or sand it if it's hard.
Oh, good idea. It should go hard according to the back of the packet.
Yeah.
God, we must sound like right professionals. Can I have
Oops. I mean,
sugar?
Oops.
Oh, darn it.
We must sound like right professionals. Dunk, dunk. It's just like a weird outtake from E.T.
Do you think it's coming out?
Yeah, but it's sort of... Yeah.
Yeah, not doing what I wanted.
It's going everywhere. Which is kind of what you wanted.
I just want to block up this part here. Up in its crevice.
I mean, it's looking actually pretty good. I know I said that with some surprise.
It's look way better than I did. I thought. Sorry, no, I did. I'm doing.
I do. Do we need to do a bit more down here? You've not done this bit yet.
I was trying to go left to right, but I was trying not to get too excited at the same time, like a puppy.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's like I've got my waggly tail right here. That's not too bad, is it?
No, that was pretty damn good from where I'm laying.
I probably need to squirt some up here though, on the joint. So here goes nothing.
There's absolutely no light on that. Hang on.
It's alright. It's probably not the easiest thing to film.
Oh, I just got the angle. Can you do it again?
I can pretend.
We know what
we
you're doing.
we don't fake here. We just make unball solid mistakes. There we go. So,
Oh, my light's died. That's why there's no light.
oh, done.
Damn it.
Probably should do a little bit down here, shouldn't we?
Yeah, just sort of make it match. Do a bit there as well, because there's a great big hole. I mean,
A fudging break big
a
hole.
rather large hole.
Is that a be an F off big hole? This thing is so unwieldy. I'm going to go out to finger power.
Yeah, fingering it in the hole was looked like the best option.
Like the pedal. Where do you want me to start? Sorry.
It was like there was a big hole just here.
Yeah.
Oh. You know, I said about painting it. I suppose if we do paint it, it'll all match.
Well, I was kind of just going to paint from like here back.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Just to make it look like we've tried to like do a job.
Oh,
sugar.
Oh yeah. Get it in there.
The problem is I keep seeing more and more holes.
Yeah, it's like painting the Golden Gate Bridge, isn't it?
I don't.
Well, once you get to one end, you have to start again at the other.
Oh yeah.
It's a never-ending task.
It's probably. Oh, my fingers are stuck.
Is that the underside done? Are all the holes sort of covered?
I think so.
All areas covered?
No, there's a bit there.
What we're doing here is actually rust protection, isn't it? This is to stop water ingress.
We don't want water. We did clean out all of the...
Yeah, all the bad.
Bad. So we're just trying to... There we go. Ugh.
Do you have to make sexual noises whilst doing it? I'm feeling a little uncomfortable.
Not gonna lie, this is disgusting. I can feel it through my glove. That's how bad it is. We'll cut all the danglies off afterwards, I think. Just
yeah.
Try and smooth that out a little bit. Right.
And then the outside bit?
Outside bit.
So we need to get it up in the crack as well, because there's that.
I know, that's what I was going to do first.
Oh, I'm tangled up in my wire. God, if only we could weld as good as we can apply sealant.
I've done sealant a lot more than I've done welding.
See. I'm trying so hard not to wobble.
There you go, I'm done.
It's so difficult.
No, go and take a break.
No, I want you to finger over it so it's nice and smooth.
I was going to cardboard, but okay. Do you want to go front to back or back to front? So for shooting, it'd be better to do that, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would.
Sorry, I'm taking so long.
Oh, yeah.
Try and smooth this out a bit.
Oh. Yeah. I thought I'd get some less close-up shots of you in action.
Yeah.
It'd be kind
My
of cool.
fat belly's out.
Yeah, it's alright. Well, the 8-man will do a lot of it, won't it?
Yeah, that's true. Right. Probably should start about here and come back because we did take a lot of material out of here because it was rusty. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because I can see a massive bend.
Yeah, there is a bit of a dent, an indent. I don't think the camera will pick it up, but there is.
It's just...
Viewers will have to take our word for it.
I'm sure they will.
I'm sure the believers.
Yeah, with the amount of rust we've taken out of this car, yeah.
And then just, yeah. And sort of smooth it over. Oh, that is going well.
We need to build up that piece there.
Yeah, I think that might be a cardboard job. I was watching what you were doing then and not filming it.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay a bead down.
On. Yeah. Well, you can say spaff on the internet, right?
Well, I will, until we get told otherwise.
I think it's a bit of a grey area. And then a bit more up here as well.
Where, sorry? Oh, and the divot.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to get my trusty bit of cardboard.
Yep. You go fast a piece of cardboard. Whoa, you nearly clipped it on the door then. That'd take a bit of polishing.
I did clip it on the
It's alright, Tom will be able to polish it out.
Tom will polish that out with an inch of his life. I hear he's good with his polishing.
Can you do my wing mirror covers? They need a good polishing.
He probably could. He's actually quite good at that stuff.
Has he got a power polisher, or does he hand job it?
I'm not answering that. I'm sticking to everything. Sorry, this was terrible for your filming.
That's alright. I mean, the idea basically is so that you can't see which bit we did and which bit we haven't done.
Yep.
And that, I think, is fairly successful.
Just trying to get rid of some of the hangy bits. I mean, I'm quite happy with that job.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. I've seen worse.
Oh, yeah. It's not really a benchmark I want to go with, but yeah. Don't think there's really much value out of us keep going, is there?
No, I think...
Wait for it to dry now.
Or maybe a little bit more
Here?
here, yeah. Where that bit is sort of...
You mean the bit we
I
put
don't
in?
think you can see it in camera, but...
Yeah, okay. I know exactly. Right.
Don't go too much though. Less is more.
No, it's not. More is more. Uh-oh.
Less was more. Less was more. Black Hawk down.
Black worm down.
Oh, that looks good.
It's the breakaway. It's the hard part.
And I'm filming it as well.
It's the breakaway. That's the really
Yeah.
hard bit.
You just want to keep going all the way to the front of the car.
Don't start that, because I will. Go on.
Just leave them. We'll cut them off when they're dry.
No. I kind of want to do that bit.
Which bit?
The bit at the back here.
What, to continue it on?
Yeah, just make it
Just
look
to
like
smooth
it's
it.
vaguely factory.
Yeah, why not?
I'm sticking to everything. Rust prevention.
It's not going to rust, is it? It's made out of rubber.
Exactly. Rust prevention.
Just smooth that bit off a bit. Just, yeah. No, just a bit.
I know, I was trying to get some off my finger and I just saw a bit of rust and I thought, which, sorry? Here.
Just here. No, you see actually on the cell.
Here?
Yeah. Because you've not quite filled it all.
I see what you mean there as well.
Yeah.
And probably just a little bit on the corner.
And a little bit just there.
Here?
Yeah, right there. Oh, that was spot the diddly dog.
Oh, my arm's going dead.
It's alright, you got a spare.
Look alright?
That looks pretty darn good.
I don't like that bit. Do I touch that or not?
This
the
bit.
blobs here, I can see that visibly blobs.
I think once it's dry, if it dries hard, we can sand it. If it dries soft, we can cut it.
Okay. I'm just going to wipe my finger on some other bits that aren't holes.
Yeah, but you can wipe over the hole.
Yeah, I know. That'll do.
That looks pretty damn good. Considering we did it.
yeah. Hey, we're not professing to be professionals.
We are far from it.
Right, I'm going to leave it alone, otherwise I'm just going to keep playing with it.
Yep.
Right, this is now cured. It's now all lovely and silicone-y and rubbery. Just got to go and pick off and cut off all the stragglers. Alright. Probably use a knife on some of them just to get a cleanish surface, but to be honest, it really don't matter. Should do the trick. Have a look underneath. Yeah, again, few, not a lot. It's actually a pretty nice job. Apart from that bit there, but we'll ignore that. Okay. Pick off the really long ones. The backside can pretty much stay as is though. And then all we got to do is get some black paint. We'll quickly spray paint it. Put the heater on it, put the side skirt on, and then it's going to get a wash.
To finish off this part of the restoration, we're going to spray the area with some black paint. This will give additional rust protection and provide a smooth transition into the repaired section.
I have cured the paint by using a little 2 kilowatt heater. It's mostly dry. It'll do anyway. Now I'm going to stick the side skirt on. Should probably explain, there's 4 clips that sort of click in. I don't think that one on the end is, but this one definitely is clipped in. And then you've got 4 of these nasty little plastic clip things to go in into 4 holes along the bottom. Yuck, horrible. Now I'm going to have to tidy this up a little bit with a knife, but can be another day. Actually, I can probably squeeze this in and just get it in. There you go. One. Should probably check if the other things are what's it called? In. So I think they are. Yeah. We definitely didn't do that when we took it apart. Should we take that one out? It'll actually go in. I'll do that. Okay, in. Okay. It's probably more secure than it was when it went in. Just get a hammer and knock that one in. In. Right.
After a couple of weeks of hard work, the transformation is impressive. We've gone from a large area of rust and pieces of metal missing to a clean section that has been patched and painted and should last a lifetime. We've used simple tools, perseverance and a little bit of knowledge. And in the spirit of if we can do it, anyone can, we hope to have shown you that this isn't an impossible task to take on at home.